Professor D.N. Reddy, Chancellor of Mallaradi University. Presently, I am also Appellate Committee Chairman for National Board of Accreditation. As a Chancellor of University, I had an opportunity. We would like to develop this university, world-class university level in the next 10 years level. So basically, why the Mallaradi University is preferred is that this society, Mallaradi Education Society, having a rich experience of offering courses in various engineering colleges, about nearly 8 to 10 engineering colleges, MBA, MCA colleges and 2 medical colleges and schools, and they have a experience in running education institutions. So the university, with the Telangana government intention of our Chief Minister KCR, Telangana government, they created a private universities in this state. Based of the Mallaradi University is that we are offering specialized courses. But for example, BTech programs in artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain technology, Internet of Things, then smart cities, 3D printing design, quantum computing, software engineering, and we have different programs we want to offer to the students where the other universities are not able to offer this except IITs. So we want to specialized courses we want to offer, taking the industry perspective into consideration. Actually today industry perspective is that they want 56 job profiles. Various industries, whether IT enabled services, core industry, manufacturing industry, pharma or hotel industry, or healthcare industry, manufacturing industry, all these they want 56 job profiles. So to get 56 job profiles, skills are at most important. Basically, we want this university, Mallaradi University, we want to target on a skill improvement program. We want to promote startup culture, because the Government of India policy is that startup, that means students should have the innovation, creativity, that talent should be utilized for them to produce a product, created a product or a software or any services using a startup culture. Because instead of a job seeker, it should be job provider. Actually, our unique feature of this university campus is that we want to establish a technology incubation center. So we go to USA, Stanford University, MIT or Cambridge, many universities in Europe also, they have a incubation center, technology incubation center. So student passing out final year, he is given a 2 years opportunity for him to translate his ideas into technology. So technology incubation center will support them fully in 2 years time. Is the talent we want to convert into technology. The technology will be useful to society at large. We also infuse practical component into this. Skills are important. In this endeavor, skills, knowledge, attitude, behavior is very important for student. So they should be versatilely trained such that the practical ability, project demonstration, it goes in a long way. Technology is the key word, economic development of any country. So I am sure that we are targeting all these aspects, particularly grooming, improving skills, improving personal qualities, personal skills. So knowledge and behavior, all these important components we are infusing into the Mallaradi University. We want to work in a different way compared to other universities. Particularly, we want to make a world-class university in another 10 years time frame, because we have started this year only. We are starting from August, September, first year academic classes. So we are offering like engineering programs, about 8 to 9 disciplines of state-of-art technologies. Similarly, we are offering BSc in various fields like analytics, similarly forensic science, similarly psychology. BSc differently, we are offering artificial intelligence, machine learning. Similarly BCom, e-commerce, digital marketing. Similarly BBA, MBA. So different programs which is not offered in other places. Similarly fashion technology, interior design, which are job-oriented programs we want to offer in the university, such that students could be entrepreneur. You could be start up their own business rather than looking for only jobs. So placement also, we are trying to create a placements center where skill basis, placement opportunities, project based, training program, all that we want to infuse, so that end of the day the student join in Mallaradi University are satisfied. And in 10 years time frame, I am sure with my rich background, I can able to make the world-class university, because today Stanford University, if you take USA, 2,000-acre campus, 48 incubation centers are there. So was today Stanford graduate means worldwide. So similarly, such kind of infrastructure, such kind of faculty competency level, faculty development program, student development program, infrastructure facilities, fully residential campus, and a Wi-Fi enabled campus and good environment. So all these student facilities we want to extend to the university so that students able to develop themselves, faculty could be able to develop themselves. So student development program, faculty development program, we want to make available such that end of the day students take the best out of the education provided in Malad University. I am sure that I will be able to give the best to the student. Definitely we won't disappoint you. We will give you best education, best talent, best skills in this endeavor.